Assalamualaikum YouTube members. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel again. So today's lesson is about adverbs. So we are going to discuss and learn what are the types of adverb, what are adverbs, their usage, examples and so many things. So let's start. So question is, what are adverbs? Adverb is used to modify a verb, an adjective or an other verb. For example, she walks slowly. She is a subject or a noun or pronoun. Walks verb, then slowly. Slowly is modifying the verb, that is walk. एडवर्ब का मतलब ये होता है कि किसी भी वर्ब को या किसी भी एडजेक्टिव या किसी भी एडवर्ब को किसी और एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करना, उसके बारे में मज़ीद बताना। जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर हमें बताया जा रहा है कि शी वॉक्स स्लोली, पहली बात यह है कि वो चल रही है, पर उसको मज़ीद मॉडिफाई क्या किया जा रहा है कि वो आहिस्ता चल रही है। शी वॉक्स स्लोली। So adverb modifies or describes a verb or an other adverb. For example, he ran quickly. She left yesterday. We went there. It was too hot. Now these all are the verbs who are going to modify adverbs. So adverb is going to give answer of many questions. For example, how, when, where, to what degree or how much. For example, he ran quickly. So we are asking that how is he running. So we are going to give the answer that he ran quickly. Then when did she left? So answer is she left yesterday. Then where we are going? So we went there. Yeah, we went to the park. Now what degree or how much hot it was? So we are saying that it was too hot. Now these all are the words which are going to modify any verb or any adverb. So these are called verbs. So there are 6 degrees, or you can say that 6 kinds of adverbs. Number first, that is place determining adverb. So first of all, have a look on place of adverb. So some adverbs and adverb phrases answers the question where. They are called adverb of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. अगर इसका क्वेश्चन बनाना हो तो इसका क्वेश्चन क्या बनेगा कि वो लड़के कहाँ खेल रहे थे, तो इसका आंसर हमें एडवर्ब ने दिया that they are playing upstairs. Then where is the dog? So the dog is in the garden. It's very sunny but cold outside. So question is where is cold? So we are going to say that it's very sunny but cold in outside. So I have lived here for about 2 years. So adverb of place require a question, and the question is where this thing is going to happen. Then we have adverb of manner. So some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. For example, how he was driving. So he was driving carelessly. How the plane landed. We are going to say that the plane landed safely. Then how Ali plays guitar. We are going to say Ali plays guitar skillfully. The girls answered the question correctly. Then the team played wonderfully. So here we are going to give the answer of the question how. Then we have adverb of manner. So some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverb of time. For example, the train has left already. So question is when the train left. So we are going to say that the train has left already. We moved into our new house last week. So question is when did you move in your new house? So answer is we moved into our new house last week. So our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. We shall now begin to work. He comes here daily. तो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम में क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चन व्हेन मींस ये कि कब, उसके बारे में जवाब दिया जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट एडवर्ब इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो सम एडवर्ब्स एंड एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ ऑफन एन एक्शन इज डन. मतलब ये एक्शन कब कब होता है. सो दे आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the children always go to school on the bus. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि बच्चे स्कूल किस पर जाते हैं, तो हम लोग आंसर इसका देंगे बच्चे स्कूल हमेशा ही बस पर जाते हैं। देन आप कब कब अपना कमरा साफ करते हो, सो आई क्लीन माई बेडरूम एवरी डे। फिर आगे एक और क्वेश्चन आएगा कि आप हफ्ते में कितनी दफ़ा अपने शूज़ पॉलिश करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर आपसे एक फ्रिक्वेंसी में बात की जा रही है, आपको लिमिट बतानी पड़ेगी कि आपने कब कब ये काम किया है और कब कब ये काम नहीं किया। सो आंसर इज डैड पॉलिशेज हिज शूज ट्वाइस अ वीक। Then we have adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. मतलब यहाँ पर एक क्वांटिटी आपको बतानी पड़ेगी कि कहाँ या किस हद तक ये काम हुआ है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन है कि समुंदर में कितना तूफान था, तो हम लोग क्या बात करेंगे दैट द सी इज़ वेरी स्टॉर्मी। देन आई एम फुली प्रिपेयर्ड, आप कितने तैयार हो, आंसर क्या है कि मैं फुली प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ। देन दीज मैंगोज आर ऑलमोस्ट राइप, क्वेश्चन क्या है कि ये आम कितने पके हुए हैं, तो हम लोग ने आंसर दिया दैट ऑलमोस्ट राइप। देन ही वॉज टू केयरलेस, वो कितना बुरा, वो कितना लापरवाह है, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा कि वो बहुत लापरवाह है। एक डिग्री एक क्वांटिटी मेंशन कर दी गई है। सो देन वी हैव एडवर्ब ऑफ पर्पस और एनी रीजन। So the adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. For example, he is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. We all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. यहाँ पर आप लोग जो भी सेंटेंस देंगे उसके लिए एक आधा रीज़न प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज़ गोइंग टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन दैट वाई यू आर गोइंग ऑन picnic, give me a reason. So reason is that they are going on picnic just for enjoyment, so that enjoyment is the reason behind they have a picnic. So here we are going to compare all the three types or taking some examples. For example, adverb of time. Some adverbs are already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately. अब ये जितनी भी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं या जितने भी एडवर्ब्स हैं ये सारे टाइम से रिलेटेड हैं। लेट्स टेक टू एग्जाम्पल्स। आई हैव हर्ड दिस बिफोर, आई हैव नॉट सीन हिम सिंस, आई हैव नॉट स्पोकन टू हर येट, शी विल बी हेयर सून। सो नेक्स्ट वन इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी। नाउ ऑलवेज, यूजुअली, नॉर्मली, often, sometimes, occasionally, once. Now these all are related to some extent, to some frequency. For example, it's always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. I occasionally eat junk food. Next one is adverb of place. Now these all adverbs are related with any place. Here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. For example, is that your scarf there? I have lived here for about 2 years. I walked backwards towards the door. She turned her face upwards to the sun. So next degree is adverb of manner. Then slow, slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. So the soldier fought bravely. Is that so? She dresses beautifully. We waited anxiously by the phone. So next type is adverb of degree. So almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, perfectly. Now it is related to some extent, to some degree. For example, I am fully prepared. I am rather busy. She is almost 30. They are perfectly suited. So let's talk about the formation of adverbs, that how adverbs form. So most adverbs are formed by adding ly to their corresponding adjectives. For example, if we add ly to kind, now kind is an adjective. When we add ly, it became kindly, an adverb. Then with slow, it became slowly. With hard, hardly. With sweet, sweetly. So when we add ly to any adjective, it converts into adverb. For example, she is very beautiful. Now this is adjective. Now she is beautifully dressed. This is adverb. Then he is a strange person. There's strange modifying noun. So it is an adjective, but he behaved strangely. Now they're strangely modifying the verb. So it is adverb. So there are some points to be noted, that if the adjective end in y, replace it with I and then add ly. For example, happy. Now happy is ended with y. So ly तो आपने लगाना ही लगाना है, but you have to add ily. So happy into happily, angry into angrily, lucky into luckily. So in this way adverbs are formed. Then if the adjectives end in able, ible or le, replace the e with y. For example, probable. Now replace e and put y, probably. Then gentle, replace e and put y, then gently. Then in horrible, replace e with y, horribly. Now these three adjectives, by replacing e and putting y, these adjectives converted into adverbs. So that's all for today. If you like this lesson, give it a thumbs up by hitting like button, and also remember to subscribe my channel to get my latest videos right here on YouTube. Happy learning, and we'll see you in other lessons.